Yo guys, it is Maddox Haunts, and today we have our new, for Big Lots 2024, 7-foot animated Raven Scarecrow. Okay, so a little backstory before we start this unboxing is I just got this guy literally a couple hours ago. Big Lots is doing a huge... My gosh, okay. Big Lots is doing a huge Friday the 13th sale. I have a little sign here that I actually got. Well, it came on the box. It is Friday the 15th, all 50% off. So this is all 50% off Halloween decor. So I picked this guy up. He originally retails for, I think, $150, and the 50% off got it to only $75, which is an amazing price for this guy, because I've heard a lot of great things on this guy from Jaden the Haunter, and I think a couple other haunters as well. But yeah, I'm really excited, so let's just get right into this unboxing. So we have some tape we have to cut here. I really haven't seen a whole lot of videos. I've seen a lot of people like him, but yeah, I'm excited. So wow, so first up we have his hat. Let's see if we can pull all this out. I saw Jaden the Haunter, yeah. The parts. Let's move this box over here. All the parts are inside. We have the huge scarecrow right here. Wow, he looks pretty cool. Let's take out some parts. Yeah, so it's all kind of loose sitting right here. We have in this bag, we have instructions, full colored instructions. We have fog attachments with the clip. But if you guys didn't know, this guy's used for fog as well, so you can use him in with fog, which I'll definitely be doing. I'll definitely be doing a demo later when it gets a little bit dark with fog. Here are some of the crows. All the crows are the exact same. Let's try to get a little close up. They look pretty cool. They're just crows. Very cool though. And they're all the same thing. It comes with 3 of them. So that's the first couple pieces right here. Another crow. This guy will be going in my harvest section. I don't have a whole lot of harvest props. I have the 12-foot scarecrow, little Jack Carver, and this guy. So I needed to add a little bit. So I'm thinking, you know, why not? Let's get it. So right here, I got him. I'm so happy. I really am. Like I said, that deal is just absolutely amazing too. If you're trying to get a low budget, if you're trying to actually get a good animatronic and you don't want to pay that full price, I'm suggesting this guy, because I'm telling you, for the amount of price I paid, I'm pretty well satisfied so far. But yeah, for $75, this guy was only. So here he is. Oh, some poles right here. This cord's getting stuck. Okay, right here. So here he is, right here. Let's try to get a close up. He looks pretty cool. He looks wicked for sure. He has this huge nozzle tube in him right here, but he's pretty heavy. I mean, he's decently big. Definitely spread out his fingers a lot. But yeah, there he is. He's pretty cool looking. I like him. I like the hat. The hat needs to be up more, but yeah. So there's the main piece right here. Set that down right over there. Next up, we have his control box. Well, actually, we can take out. So we have one of these poles. It's A to B right here. One pole. These are the ends of his. I don't know what he's on. I think he's on like a pole or something, like where scarecrows sit. But those are the 2 poles that go on the other side, so they're gonna be sticking out. Pretty cool. Next up, we have not an adapter, but a control box right here. With the pole. There's another pole right there. Nice upgraded adapter box. Pretty cool. I was surprised to see that they had. the upgraded adapter box, not like the older version, like what they sell with kind of, you know, like the techie animatronics. But I was very surprised, and they have an upgraded control box, which is very, very nice. Next up here, can we cut this? Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, just ripped it. Here's his firelight, just like the 12-foot Scarecrow. I'm very happy that he has these square connections instead of the circle ones right here. Like I said, I'm really happy that they have the square connections down low until you get built up, just for more protection with wind and stuff like that. It's very, very useful, for sure. Very stable, I should say, for sure. Let's just get this base. I cannot get this, of course. Okay, there we go. So here's his base, and this is the last piece. It's a pretty big base, about the size of my whole stomach. I have crap all over me from the Scarecrow and stuff. But yeah, so there is a huge base right here, and that is every piece. Not a whole lot of pieces inside the box, but that is every single piece outside the box. Now let's go straight to the setup. Here we go. Okay, so let's start. So first off, you're gonna wanna take your pole labeled A, and you're gonna wanna snap lock it down to the base labeled A as well, just like that, pretty simple. Now, you're going to take your control box right here, and you're gonna snap lock it B to B right here. Perfect. Now you're going to take his firelight, and you're going to snap lock it C to C. It's already getting a little bit tall. Move the camera up. But yeah, so that's the last thing that we're gonna do, and then we're gonna move the camera up right now. Okay, so now you're going to take this huge guy right here, the Scarecrow, and you're gonna wanna snap lock it D to D right here. And I don't know which way, I think it just goes down just like this. And you just kinda get it down in there, just like that, perfect. So you heard that snap, and you know, it's perfect. We actually forgot to cut one other zip tie that's kinda just right, keeping the fog cords together. And we're gonna cut it real quick, just like that. And this huge tube should be coming down from him. So just like that, he looks pretty good. We just kind of like adjust his clothes a little bit. But yeah, so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put the camera behind him, and we're gonna attach the two poles that go on the outsides of him. Okay. So you're gonna wanna take your E to E connection, you're just gonna wanna basically push it in there, just like that. There's one side, and you wanna throw the creepy cloth over it just a little bit. You know what I mean? So it kinda looks like it's been wrapped around there, you know what I mean? Style it however you want, doesn't really matter. Let's move the camera over, right over to this side, right about here. And let's attach the other pole, F, to the opposite side. So right here, just like that. Perfect. Like I said, just repeat the same process, just throw the creepy cloth over it a little bit. But yeah, so there he is. And now, put it back over to the front, and we're gonna attach the birds around his collar. Okay, so I accidentally did one already, but it was very easy, so I'm just gonna show you guys. So you're gonna wanna lift up his thing right here, and you're basically just gonna wanna snap lock him in. It's not wanting to go in, but I think right there, it's not gonna go anywhere. Even if you wanted to, you know what I mean? Like, put it in more, I think it would be perfect. Yeah, so let's do the other side real quick. Okay, and just like that, he's all complete. Let's get a little 360 of him real quick. He's got all the birds surrounding him. Looks very, very cool. But yeah, one thing I wanted to point out is he does not come with an adapter, so you can only use batteries unless you have a 6-volt adapter. I do have an adapter, just not laying around. It's probably gonna be one of my animatronic boxes in my storage unit, and I don't feel like going to get that right now. So yeah, so let's do the first two. I think he has, I don't know how many phrases he has, I'm not quite sure. But yeah, so let's do a couple phrases with him, with nothing, daytime, and then we'll do some with daytime, with fog. So yeah, and then we'll do a nighttime with all the phrases and stuff. So yeah, here is the demo. Here we go.
There is something rotten below. So you grow. your fear.
Now let's go to the demo with Fog.
I'm hungry. I can taste your fear. If you can see me, it's too late. Your grave has been made.
Now we are going straight to the nighttime demo without Fog.
If you can hear me, you're in grave danger. If you can see me, it's too late. Your grave has been made. Trespassers will be mutilated. I will drag you down into eternal darkness, and oh yes, there will be blood.
Now we are gonna do the demo with Fog.
If you can see me, it's too late. Your grave has been made. Down into eternal darkness, and oh yes, there will be blood. But below, show you crows. They are coming for me, just like I'll be coming for you tonight.
Okay, you guys, so there he was. The Big Lots 2024 animated 7-foot scarecrow. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am inside now, obviously, you can tell. But I absolutely love this guy. I love him when he has fog and different lighting. He's amazing. He's so cool. I love the scarecrow effect, or the bird effect, I should say. But yes, I did get him on that 50% off sale. But yeah, I probably will be posting this after Friday the 13th because I probably won't get it all uploaded and all that stuff. So you guys are probably seeing it, I don't know, a couple days down the road or a week or whatever. But yeah, so there he was. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know down in the comments below if there's anything more you'd want to see on this channel, or anything that you really like and then you want me to do more of, or anything. Just leave me a comment, you know what I mean? But yeah, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.